Barcelona. ¿Estás lista para el esto?
Give me just a few minutes. I'm working.
Hopefully we are too. Pues, bienvenido to the sound check party, the Backstreet Boys. We're going to sing a little bit, make sure we get our microphones checked with our sound guys, make sure these instruments are all set up. Give you guys a chance for some pictures, some questions. What are you thinking?
You want to do a song to music first? Or we do acoustic? Oh, yeah, sure. That'd be good for you out there.
We'll do the usual.
Trust me, maybe?
Yes, trust.
¿Va a tener con esto todo el día?
Please, trust. I tell you, trust. You just gonna do it sitting down?
Whatever you want.
Pues sin el sonche casi lo soy de mal en el concierto, no te quiero imaginar.
How many of you guys have the In a World Like This CD? Good. If you don't have it, you should go out and get it. It's pretty good.
It's a place I've never been. It comes from being within, and it's telling me that I'm about to win first prize. Knowing all I have to do is to turn my head to you. Anytime I want to look into your Spanish eyes.